Hi, welcome to Fusion Beads. Today I'm going to show you how to make the Miss Scarlet earrings. These earrings are made using Swarovski crystal cushion fancy stones with the glue and settings and this U-top ear string. They're a super quick and easy design that will add the perfect touch of sparkle to any outfit. To make these earrings, you're going to need 2 of these 12mm Scarlet Swarovski crystal square cushion fancy stones, 2 of the 12mm gold glue and settings to fit these cushion fancy stones, and then a pair of these 3-inch sterling silver U-top cable chain ear strings with ring. You're also going to need E6000 adhesive and chain nose pliers. You can find all of these product links in the description below. All right, let's get started. To make these quick and easy Miss Scarlet earrings, you first want to just take your setting and your E6000, and you're just going to dab a little bit of the glue right in the center. Okay. And then you just want to take your fancy stone and just place it right in there and just give it a little squeeze so it's nice and in there. And that glue is just going to kind of come up on the sides, on the back of that crystal, and on the setting to secure it. And you don't want to add too much glue because then if you press it, it'll seep up the sides, and you don't want that on your earring. So just dab in the middle of the setting. Just push that down to secure it. Okay, you just want to repeat that. Just a little dab of glue right in the center there. All right, so there you have cushion fancy stones in the settings. Then you just want to let this dry, and this adhesive gets tacky at around 2 minutes and begins to set in approximately about 10 minutes, and it'll be fully cured in 24 to 72 hours. So I'm going to go ahead and let this set for a little over 10 minutes, so then I'll put these ear strings on. Okay, so now that I've let these stones set, I just need to connect these ear strings to that top loop there. So to do that, you just want to take your chain nose, and there's a teeny little ring on the end here, an open ring. So you just want to take your chain nose, just open it up. Place top loop, top ring of the setting right through there, and just take your chain nose, just close it right back up. Okay, so there's one. And I just want to repeat that for the other one. Okay, open it up. Attach your setting and just close that right back up. Okay, so there you have it. Super quick and easy. And now you have an elegant pair of Swarovski crystal earrings to dress up any outfit. You can find all of the tools and materials to make the Miss Scarlet earrings at fusionbeads.com.